Hello Taurus, welcome to my channel Sharks Tarot. I heartily welcome each and everybody here, guys. So Taurus, I think the thumbnail said you about this. There's a surprise. Totally, yes, it's a surprise, guys. This reading we are doing here for as a you versus them. Yes, it's for. So what we are having, what you're gonna do here is we have the two cards over there as your feelings, what you're wanting to tell to this person, guys. And we have two cards on their side too, what they're wanting to tell to you. And we have two mutual cards that both of you are wanting to say to each other, but both of you are hiding it. After getting over from this love messages and this love cards, Taurus, I'm gonna come up here with some tarot cards, seeing what is happening here in like tarot wise. What we're gonna look up here is your cards. Here are there the two cards for you. What are you feeling, how it's your part, and for them as we are as well, we are having two cards from their side also, Taurus, and the mutual cards are also here. At the end we are going to look up at how both of you are looking at your relationship in this long term. Like we have two cards here for you on your part, like how do you see this long term relationship and how they see this relationship for this long term period. And in between we have one more card I have shuffled, which is from the universe. What is the universe telling you about both of your relationship in the long terms? I hope that you all have your person in your mind, Taurus. Let's see, let's start with what is happening with our Taurus and their person. Yes, so Taurus, on your part, first card is so beautiful. I like you. Second card is I wish I could take my words back. Taurus, what I see here is you definitely have an attraction towards a person. So I feel that you really like them, you really are attracted towards them, you really are wanting to build a beautiful, soulful connection with them. And I also think that the kind of communication, the kind of interaction you have had with your person, I feel that there might be something that you told, and now you're thinking that I shouldn't have said this thing right now. Maybe it was not the right time to say this thing to this person, and you're just wishing that you could just take back those words, and you just feel that maybe if your person is not communicating or they're getting cold from you, I think it might be this reason that you told something and they didn't like, is what I'm seeing here. This is what you are imagining, Taurus. Your person, they have got three cards. Okay, the first one says I am afraid to contact you. Second card is saying accusing and suspicious. Third card is mistrust. So these three cards, Taurus, I think on your person's part is having a very different particular impact. Totally. I feel that your person is right now not trusting you fully. They have something in their heart, I feel, guys, or in their mind maybe, that they are thinking it's not a right time to contact you or to be with you. And I feel that maybe they are not seeing you a bit trustworthy. They think that maybe they are the Taurus, you people are just maybe playing with them. You could play with them, is what I'm getting here. They're finding a bit suspicion, is what I'm getting. Taurus, the mutual cards we have here is the first one, I'm too grateful for the spiritual lesson. Second one, I'm seeking advice about us. I definitely see, Taurus, that both of you, emotionally and spiritually, you both have been learned, or you have been learning a lesson by not being so much together with each other, but thinking a lot about each other, is what I'm seeing. Definitely. And I feel that maybe both of you are on each other's part, talking with your friends, communicating, telling them about things, stuffs, whatever is going on, is what I'm seeing here, guys. Moving to the tarot cards, Taurus, the first card. So the two cards on your part, Taurus, we have the Knight of Wands followed by the Eight of Cups. Oh my god. Taurus, I feel that definitely you're wanting to take an action towards your person, but you're just choosing right now to sit back or to end this connection or this relationship. It's not ending the connection much more, is what I'm getting here. Is it's just like you don't want to take action right now. You're just taking a back from this action taking. You're just sitting thinking a lot about this person, whoever they are, and you're just thinking that let me feel, let me observe. But this observing thing, I could say that you're delaying a lot, a lot. Your person on the other side, they get the Queen of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Devil. I feel that your person wanted to speak a lot in this reading. Holy, yeah. I feel this thing, Taurus, that your person is definitely a very grounded person, very beautiful, very loyal, very, innocent kind of a vibe I'm getting here from your person. But I feel that this person has this thing into the mind that maybe they are very judgmental kind of a person, first of all, I would say. And secondly, Taurus, I would just say this thing that maybe they are viewing you as some toxic. Yes, a toxic person. Maybe they feel that there's no compatibility between both of you, or they're maybe not matchmaking, or they see that maybe it's not, that compatibility is not there just because of maybe the signs or anything apart from that, but it's there. Okay, and the mutuals, we have the Ten of Pentacles and the Three of Cups. Oh my god, I feel that, see, both of your energies are so different. You're wanting to take action, but you're not taking action. You're just sitting and thinking a lot of something very different. You're just walking away from taking this action. Your person is having this a different aura individually, that they are feeling that something is toxic in your relationship or something. But the mutuals is so combined. It's just like a reconciliation is happening here. Healing period is there. I'm sorry, guys. I think I got a little bit scared. Something happened. I don't know what. Yeah, it was an outside sound. Whatever it was. Taurus. Okay, coming back to you again. Yeah. So I was just telling you this thing that Taurus, I feel there is this reconciliation happening here. Both of you see this relationship as a very blessed, security is there, stability is there. I don't know what is wrong, but definitely it's your individual problems are arising here. In the future, what are you seeing in this long term here is the Ace of Wands and the Six of Wands. Definitely, Taurus, you have a lot of passion with this person, for this person individually, and you're just wanting a passionate new beginning with this person. And I'm seeing this thing here. There is definitely a victory on your part, is what I'm getting here, guys. And it's just that when you try to open up, things are gonna go very well, and you're gonna reach to this thing very, very, very soon. Okay, guys. Whereas Taurus, what I found here on your person's part with the Five of Pentacles and the Knight of Cups is that they are a bit confused for this long term. They feel that might be it could happen that both of you won't be on the same pages, and there will be like a less understanding. I see your person is fearing with this relationship on the terms that there may be lack of understanding, communication, or walking side by side, holding hands and walking side by side. There will be a struggle to continue. This person is getting a vibe, is what I'm seeing here, guys. Totally. But guys, I see this person definitely wishing to have a very beautiful times, honest times, loyal times, best times in your arms. This is what I'm getting. This person, whoever you're dealing here, is having huge amount of love, but they are fearing and to just not open up because they feel that you might be very toxic to them. The universe just changes everything with the Five of Swords. I feel that Taurus, the universe is denying for this relationship, for this connection with your person. They say that in the long term, might be you're gonna get involved into a lot of conflicting things. I feel that the person you're dealing with here, the kind of vibes they're getting, the universe is totally suggesting it to be true. And maybe in the long term, your connection might not prove so well. This is just what universe is guiding here, guys. This is what I have for you, Taurus. Hope it's resonating. Do comment and do tell me, do like this video, and just tell me about how much it resonated with you and how much you're satisfied with this video. Okay, guys. So definitely this is what I have for you, Taurus. I'm gonna see people next time, and yes, bye till then, guys.